Everyone. Today, for my YouTube video, I'll be creating a strawberry peach, healthy strawberry peach smoothie. We're gonna start with milk, it's almond milk, low-fat almond milk. Put it here. So, 3 cups or 650 milliliters of almond milk. Then you add the frozen strawberries. These are about 200 grams of frozen strawberries. You put them here. Okay, 300 grams. You put them here. Then you add about 100 grams of frozen peaches, peach slices. You put them here. Then you have the bananas, you put them here. That's for texture. Then you add the yogurt for protein. You add that here. 1 tablespoon is enough, should be enough. Then afterwards you add the peanut butter. This is about 2 tablespoons, or 1 tablespoon of peanut butter. Put it here. And for protein, you get chia seeds. That's plant-based protein. Then you add some ice, a little bit of ice. Well, 5 eggs is enough. Then you have the blender for about 2 minutes. tasty smoothie like this. Nice and tasty. Under the with a taste of yogurt and taste of strawberries and taste of different things together. So you add this to the jar, and that's it. And well, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.